Indoor and outdoor combination padlock. Maximum security lock with a zinc body is best used as a gate lock, shed lock, and storage locker lock. Set your own 4-digit combination lock for easy combination recall. Backup key included for operation without the combination. Lock is constructed with a zinc body and reinforced body bumper for strength and reliability. Covered dials for superior weather protection. Roller pin cylinder provides maximum pick and pry resistance. Tough cut octagonal boron-carbide shackle is 50% harder than hardened steel. 2 in, 51 mm, wide lock body. 3/8 in, 10 mm, diameter shackle with 2 in, 51 mm, length. 15/16 in, 24 mm, width. Extended shackle for application flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. Great lock. It's just what it says it is. Works great and the lock is big enough to get through the double chain.